Now we will study different types of motion, displacement time graph, representation of different types of motion, displacement time graph. See this one, this is a straight line, and for a body whose displacement time graph is represented in a straight line, it has uniform velocity. Whatever may be the time frame, the velocity remains uniform. See, the velocity from 4 to 8 second is 5 meter per second. The velocity from 2 to 4 second is 5 meter per second. Similarly, if you consider this triangle, the displacement is here 0 to 40, that means 40 meter, and time is 0 to 8. Change in time 8 minus 0 8. Change in displacement 40 minus 0 40. So the slope of this triangle is the tan theta, that is altitude by base, that is 40. This is 40 by 8 is equal to 5. If we consider the velocity from 0 to 8 second is 5, 4 to 8 second it is 5, 2 to 4 second it is 5. So velocity is remaining same, that means the acceleration is 0. So the body is said to be in uniform motion. Hence for a body in uniform motion, it is a straight line passing through the origin. If it is a curve, then it is not uniform motion. That means the body is accelerating. For example, this one, the body is moving with variable velocity. So the body started from here. It has in 2 seconds it has covered 10 meter, and then in 4 seconds it has covered 40 meter. So here the velocity is, how can you compute the velocity? You have to draw the tangent here. If you wish to compute the velocity here, if you draw a tangent here, just touch a straight line touching this point, and then draw any line parallel to the y-axis and any line whatever its length parallel to the x-axis. Then calculate the slope. That means this one by this one. That means displacement by time, rate of change of velocity. If you draw a slope here, tangent here, then it is much steeper. That means the velocity here is much greater. It is not so steeper, the velocity is lesser. Here if you draw tangent at this point, it is less steeper. That means the velocity is even lesser here. So in other words, we can say that the velocity is varying from point to point. How can you calculate the velocity? By drawing tangents at the given points. So the velocities are varying at different points. Hence the body is moving with variable velocity. That means the body is accelerating. So in a displacement time graph, for a body moving with non-uniform motion or variable velocity or an accelerating body, it is a curve. It is a curve. It cannot be a straight line. It must be a curve. See, and at every point, if you wish to calculate the velocities at different points, the tangents at different points will give you the velocity. That means at this point, that means at 4th second, to calculate the velocity at 4th second, you just draw a tangent, draw a straight line, that means tangent, and draw a right angle triangle and compute altitude by base. Similarly, if you wish to calculate the velocity from displacement time graph, at 3 seconds, then at this point draw a tangent and draw a right angle triangle and compute altitude by base, that means tan theta. So at different points you may calculate, at different time frame you may calculate the velocity here. The velocity will be variable, that means the body is accelerating. In other words, we will say that the body is moving in non-uniform motion. Now see this straight line. This is another graph. This is x-axis, time is considered along x-axis, and displacement is considered along y-axis. See here, at 4 second the displacement is 20. At 6 second the body is covered a distance of 20 meter. At 8 second the body has covered a distance of again 20 meter. At 10 second the body is covered a distance of 20 meter. 12 second the body is covered a distance of 20 meter. That means time is passing by. Let it is 10 am, it's 11 am, 12 noon, 1 pm, 2 pm, etc. But the displacement is 20. If your house is situated here and it is Shodhpur station, then at 10 am the train is at Shodhpur, At 11 a.m. the train is at Shodhpur. At 12 a.m. the train is at Shodhpur, 20 meter away from your house. At 1 p.m. the train is also at Shodhpur. So the position of the train is not changing, but time is running out. That means the train is at rest. So when a body is at rest after displacing from its initial position, the nature of the graph is it is a straight line parallel to the time axis. তাহলে এরম গ্রাফ কখন হবে? যখন একটা বডি কিছুটা গিয়ে রেস্টে দাঁড়িয়ে পড়বে, সময় চলে যাবে, বডিটা নিজের জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে থাকবে, তখন এটা স্ট্রেট লাইন হবে প্যারালাল টু টাইম অ্যাক্সিস। এখানে বডিটা কিছুটা ডিসপ্লেস করে তারপরে রেস্টে আছে, কিন্তু ডিসপ্লেস না করে যদি আগরে রেস্টে থাকে তাহলে গ্রাফটা হবে এরকম একটা, মানে স্ট্রেট লাইন অ্যালং দ্য এক্স অ্যাক্সিস। দিস ওয়ান বডিটা ডিসপ্লেসই করে নিজের জায়গা থেকে কিন্তু রেস্টে আছে, তখন এই গ্রাফটা হবে আ স্ট্রেট লাইন অ্যালং দ্য টাইম অ্যাক্সিস।